Imagine you have a vision for what you want to achieve in Zoho CRM, but you're not sure where to start. What if someone else out there has already cracked the code for your specific challenge? Or maybe requested a feature that is now available, but you completely missed the update. Well, we've all been there. Zoho Community is an avenue where you can get solution to these challenges. That said, I understand that staying on top of all these important discussions and updates in Zoho CRM Community can be a challenge. That is why we have our monthly digest series located right in the Zoho CRM forum to help you stay in the loop. Welcome to the inaugural video of Zoho CRM Community Digest. So this video complements the Community Digest published every month in our CRM forum, and we urge you to take a look at it so that you get a deeper understanding of the updates and community highlights that are covered in this video. Now let's take a quick look at all the important discussions and updates we have from our Zoho CRM community for the month of April. Zoho CRM now supports sending emails right from the Accounts module. While composing an email in the Accounts module, you will receive quick suggestions for related contacts' email addresses. And this update also allows you to access attachments and email templates specific to the Accounts module. Similarly, in the Deals module, you'll now get quick suggestions for email addresses of contact roles linked to the deal record. Moving on, let's check out the latest upgrades to Zoho CRM Sandbox. These updates aim to streamline the deployment of sandbox changes to production accounts, like tackling common pain points such as missing associated items, duplicate name conflict, and developer-user association conflict. Up next, here is an interesting Z announcement that can make your life easier. Picture this. You're in a meeting trying to quickly recap all notes that are associated with the record. Clearly, there is so much to sweat through. Introducing Zia Note Summary. Just click on the Summarize Note button and bam, 2 handy summaries land right in your hand. A last note summary for the most recent one and an overall summary for a bird's-eye view of all the notes that are added to the record. Next up, a quick update on multiple Kanban views. Previously, you could only have one Kanban view per module, which meant you had to keep editing for different categorizations. Now, with multiple Kanban views, it's super easy to create and switch between different Kanban views. You can expand and collapse stages in a card view to keep things compact, update deal stages with ease using the drag and drop functionality, and create stage-specific records right from the Kanban view. Another cool improvement is that the selected pipeline will be persisted until it is changed, an option that many of you requested. The last update, we have just rolled out the much-awaited feature to add tasks to the calendar view. This feature lets you see your CRM task in a daily and a weekly view right alongside your calls and meetings. Plus, you can switch between single and multi-user views to manage tasks more efficiently and even create tasks directly from the calendar. Alright, now that we have covered all the product updates, it's time to dive into some noteworthy forum discussions from April. If you could relate to any of them or been looking for a similar solution, you know where to find them. So, first up, we have Boomi and Roger chipping in with valuable suggestions to help Philippe with formatting phone numbers in Zoho CRM irrespective of how they are entered. Next up, we have an interesting use case from Baswendenberg, whose sales processes involved assigning pair of sales consultants for each operations. So they wanted to know how to best track and visualize the performance of these sales duos. Aishu suggested using a heat map for this requirement. You can head over into the post for more details. Community digests are never complete without functions. So our members have shared functions to automatically capitalize the first letter of each word in a contact's information for all fields, no matter how it is entered. Execute function only for select deal stage, automatically update deal stage to scheduled whenever new meeting is added to a deal record, and optimize CRM storage by automatically moving or deleting attachments, and more. Dave's Corner captures developer-centric conversations. So in this section, you have client scripts to create and allow for duplicate deals without blocking record creation, open a pop-up with a drop-down list for users to select an option and pass it to a CRM field in real time during deal creation. This section also features best practices for handling large record sets and a nice write-up by Roger that covers the best practices for naming variables in deload scripting. Finally, we have Kaizen, a series aimed at resolving all the frequently asked questions, common hurdles, and discussing the best practices to be followed by the CRM developers. We got a couple of Kaizen posts this month, and the first one touches upon the self-client and server-based clients in Zoho CRM. And the second one covers the ins and outs of working with rich text field and how to manipulate them using the Zoho CRM APIs. With this, we have come to the end of this month's video digest. We hope you found this recap useful. Make sure to check out the Zoho CRM Digest post using the link shared in the description and do share your feedback. Thank you for all the contributors. We will be back again next month with all the highlights and important discussion. Until then, stay connected with the community and take care. Thank you.